So now you have to detect the red broken cable and pick that cable after detecting and drop it in the recycling area. So what are the different ways you can detect the red cable? So here, if I talk about my model, I have used the ultrasonic sensor on my left side of the robot, and while going on the black line, it can detect the cable and I can collect after detecting and drop it in the recycling area. So here I have used the ultrasonic sensor. You can also use the color sensor facing on the left side, which can detect the red color, or any other idea if you have, you can definitely use that to do it. So in this model I have used facing on the left side. You can use maybe at some angle or facing upside down, or however you feel like it is working best according to your strategy. So this is how you can detect the red cable. I hope you got some idea how to attach some sensor to detect the red cable. Thank you so much.